Dr. Mesut Yilmaz, who is a professor of infectious diseases and clinical microbiology at Istanbul Medipol University. Thanks so much for joining us. Can you tell us more specifically about the condition of this patient in Turkey and what are the symptoms he's suffering from?
Hi, well, I wish we actually knew a lot of details, but not much details are given by the Ministry of Health. Finally, a citizen tested positive here in Turkey and has been isolated. We hear that he is in good general condition, which means he is not in the ICU. He's been placed in isolation, and so are his close relatives. I have also contacted some of my colleagues in Ministry of Health today, and I'm also told that the people who have traveled with this male patient from abroad are also, under inspected just to be safe. So that's actually all what we know regarding the patient.
Okay, I mean, is it not, remarkable in a sense that Turkey has been rather mildly affected so far, given one of the world's worst affected countries, Iran, is right on its border? What has limited the spread?
Well, maybe apart from luck, I believe there has been a lot of precautions. Many of them were proactive, taken by the Ministry of Health. Thermal cameras were installed into the airports and the borders that can detect people with the deadly coronavirus. And the Ministry of Health has been urging the citizens to avoid close spaces with crowds. They have underlined the importance of preventive measures such as washing hands and boosting the immune system and so forth and so on. So if any passenger with high fever, cough, breathing difficulty was spotted anywhere, we were told, like in our hospitals, we were told to put them in quarantine and to test for the presence of the coronavirus. And the tests had a turnaround time of 24 hours, which is pretty rapid in world standards. So we were kind of, sort of in front of the outbreak here in Turkey.
Okay, that's encouraging. I mean, now, though, even today, we're starting to see employers take steps to quarantine employees as well who've just traveled abroad. Will we start seeing, should we start seeing, do you think, more dramatic steps like this taken?
Yeah, well, actually, they are. Currently, our crowded national and international meetings have been either postponed or canceled. And you are right that the employees are being quarantined who have traveled abroad for 14 days, and people are told not to go to work if they have visited abroad during the last 14 days. These are all proactive measures, and I believe more will be coming. Today, I think school issues were being discussed in the Ministry of Health, and we'll see how that turns out, whether our children will be able to go to their school soon or not.
Okay, Mesut Yilmaz, thank you so much for joining us there. We greatly appreciate your insight.